My name is Abel Macias. I'm an artist. I live in LA. I'm a painter, muralist, a lot of murals that I work on, and a lot of graphic design, illustration projects. I kind of dabble in a lot. Growing up, going to Mexico really influenced a lot of how I make things in terms of color decisions, like things being more playful and that feel handmade and not mechanical. You know, my mom loves to collect knickknacks and paintings, and my dad is very meticulous with how he gardens. They nurtured that creativity in me. Improvisation is a huge thing for me, even in the process of making art. You know, if you don't have a tool, you just find something else and move on. You gotta be on your feet and just pivot and go with the flow, and just kind of wherever the water takes you, you go there. Make things feel authentic and true to self. You have to kind of work with that spontaneity and don't overthink things. This collaboration that I did with Scotch and soda is based on a drawing that I did, which is basically me writing "the sun will come up" over and over again on a sheet of paper. I wanted to create a more visual aspect of this piece, so I started incorporating a lot of graphic elements of the palm tree and the sun and these basic kind of primary shapes, almost cut out of paper. I think because the message "the sun will come up" is so simple, the design itself it had to kind of match that simplicity, so it became more of a piece of art based on text that almost became a mantra. Things that happened in the past, you have to leave them there because there's always an opportunity for tomorrow to be a better day and a different day with a whole new outcome. 2020 started off, I was concerned about not being able to make a living as an artist, which I usually, it's what I've been doing for all my life. In that realization, I understood that you're an artist because you are one, and you can't really change that. I feel so good to be able to be a sense of positivity in people's lives in that regard, because it's something that I enjoy doing, and I feel like it's my calling to be an artist. You know, you just gotta stay positive and the sun will always come out.